Hello everyone, thanks for joining me for the daily snapshot. Today we'll be looking at gold. It's reached a record high and we want to look how to trade it. Before I do that, please take note and pay attention to the following important information. CFDs are high risk products and you need to be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please realize that this is general commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And lastly, our sources of information. Thank you very much. Now let's get into it. The fundamentals behind gold are as follows. Gold is at an all-time high and the drivers include escalation in political tensions between the US and China, a weakening US dollar, and uncertainty over earnings following the lockdown and the COVID-19 pandemic. Now what we want to do is just take a look at the chart. And we're going to start off with the gold chart, and you can see this green line here. It's moving from the lower left to the upper right, and that's indicative of an uptrend in gold. Moreover, you can see that price is above the 20-day simple moving average, and the 20-day simple moving average is pointing up. However, take a look at the RSI. Okay, the RSI is overbought. We use 80 as our threshold level, and the RSI is over 90, so it's very overbought. Now take a look at the US dollar, and again look at the green line. It's moving from the upper left to the lower right, and that's indicative of a downtrend. And you can see that the US dollar is below its 20-day simple moving average, and the 20-day simple moving average is pointing down. But for our purposes, take a look at the RSI is below 20. It's oversold. So we have a situation where gold is overbought and the US dollar is oversold. And that's noteworthy because when you take a look at them together, you can see that ever since the 23rd of March, when the Fed announced unlimited QE, gold has been steadily moving up and the US dollar is steadily been moving downwards. So there is an inverse correlation there. The fact that they're both showing extreme levels, I think, is noteworthy. So let's just summarize. Gold is trending up, however it is overbought. So there are risks of the indicators normalizing, which means that price will most likely pull back. And if this is the case and the fundamentals maintain, then dips are most likely going to be very compelling indeed. Thank you very much for joining me this afternoon. I hope you found this useful, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.